Alrighty, there we go.
That quick.
Yep. And hey, how y'all doing? Alright, let's get you in here real quick. So, you said it's just the door handle?
Yes.
Alrighty. Let's just do that.
So much.
You're welcome.
This is my super duper neighbor.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So you're the one I spoke to on the phone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. He bailed me out. Thank you a lot.
You're welcome.
Alrighty. There we go.
That quick.
Yep.
You gotta be
And
kidding.
I've had a lot of practice.
Well, for sure.
Alrighty. If you could get that utility bill for me real quick. Here, I'll let you in.
Oh,
And your driver's license, if you will.